Who will win the staring contest? The snapping turtle? Or you? Hey folks, it's fall time, and I hope you're getting to enjoy the outdoors and nature. Today, I want to use my jar of Berkley Jigging Grubs for chunky bluegill. Oh, by the way, did you know that I like to do original artwork about the outdoors and nature? I have drawings available in my shop. Please do check them out. After you watch my video, of course. And now back to fishing. Let's go to the lake and cast with the Berkley Jigging Grub. Got it. Got it.
Hands away, let's control the land. We're starting to rush.
Good one.
Let's retire. Let's control the land. Control.
Beauty. It's a beauty.
Let's start picking it up.
Gosh, they're noisy. This is a nice bluegill. This is the Jigging Grub. There you go. It's a nice one. Another one. Oh, it just took it. It took it off the hook. That's fine. I'm trying to use these up. Still have a little left. I got another one. Another bluegill. This guy is pretty sharp. Don't swallow the hook. Jesus. Okay. Now you can stick up your dorsal fin. Trying to stick me with that. Fun bluegill fishing. That one. Yeah. Fall bluegill. Whoa, you swallowed the whole Jigging Grub. This is heavy, fat, a chunker. With the last bit of sun, I want to show you all.
Each side is perfectly balanced. That's the goal. If you guys can do that, your form's good.
Jigging Grub is the answer. Single hook it. Gives a better chance for the bluegill to reach the hook. Ooh. Isn't it beautiful? Stop it. Fall bluegill are awesome. Look at that. I love bluegill. Another chunker. They're all about the same size, 7 inches, 7.5 maybe. Got a bucket full of fish. Each time the bluegill swallowed the hook, I gave a little slack, not too tight. You want them to be able to just swoop in and swallow the Jigging Grub. Yeah. Oh. Tap, 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 tap. nibble. Let it loose a little bit. Let it swallow. Yeah. Sometimes you can kind of feel when it's a good time to hook set it. Yeah. Beautiful. No. Size 6 hook. Good size for the big bluegill. If you want smaller one, smaller hook. But I like them a little chunky, muscular, powerful. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Yeah, 5 bluegill and 1 small yellow perch. Ooh, there's a beautiful glow over there. Take a look at this. Oh, there it is again. This could be another big bluegill. Really tasting it. Yes! I want you. Yeah! Oh, man. Love bluegill fishing. This is the biggest one, folks. Look how fat that is. Kind of peach color on it. Oh, I gotta measure this guy. It's big. It's big. Barely caught on a top lip. This is the biggest. You're a mama. Wow, you just changed color from peach to kind of a iridescent purple. Oh, 8 inches, everybody, 8 inches. Look how beautiful that is. 0.37. Second look at it. Biggest one of the day. It's gonna get dark real soon. Around here, man. Oh. Can't have them all. With it being fall time, the days are shorter, and all of a sudden, we're on the lake in near total darkness. But let's keep it going. What do you say? See if I can get a night bluegill. There is some action here. Oh yeah. Oh, something tapped it. Yeah, there is action of bluegill around here. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Night bluegill. Yes. It is nice. Wow, you almost swallowed the whole thing in there. Let's see. It's okay. I can feel the shank of the hook. I can get it out. Yeah, I got it out. Gotta shed some light on the situation. Time to whip out the iPhone. Got a night bluegill. Oh no, no, no. Night bluegill. It's a smaller one, not the biggest. here though. Here we go. Ooh, this one feels really nice. Can you see that? It's dark. It's nighttime. Oh my god, this can't be a bluegill. It is huge! It's huge! This is the biggest one. It's dark and you can't see it, but I feel it. Flashlight. Look at that! Can you see that? That is beautiful. See? Caught right on the nose. Jigging grub. Awesome bait. Oh, there's a lot of mosquitoes too. This is the winner, folks. Biggest bluegill. Nighttime. I'm gonna end on that note. Just a few more casts. Let's see. Oh yeah. I got it. White perch. I just had to do one more cast. And it's a white perch. Different fish. Smartphones don't work very well when your hands are wet. There you go. I had to cast one more time. Caught a different fish. It's a bonus. Caught a yellow perch and a white perch today. And a whole bunch of bluegills. Bonus fish. Bonus catch. Is that a pretty fish? Look how big this is compared to the other ones. It's pretty good, but that's big. Got one yellow perch in here. They keep dancing. No, come on. 8.5 inches. 8.5. Made it. Half a pound. Half a pound for the biggest bluegill of the night. Let you go. Thanks for playing. You're the mama. Thank you. Okay, folks, that was awesome. Caught some nice bluegill today, mainly using the Berkley Jigging Grub. It's an awesome bait for a bluegill. They love it. Just hook it once, through a circle hook about size 6 is fine, and you get the big bluegill. Thanks for joining me, everybody, and we'll see you next time on my outdoor, nature, and fishing channel. Take care. Thank you for joining me today as I used the Jigging Grub by Berkley to catch some chunky bluegill straight into the nighttime. The bluegill really went for the artificial bait. If you're new here, please subscribe and please like if you enjoyed my video. And press the bell button so that you don't miss anything, and I'll bring you more fun adventures. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on my outdoor, nature, and fishing channel. So who won the staring contest? I think the turtle won.